Frustrated by the limited app selection on your LG Smart TV? While LG TVs use WebOS, not Android TV, accessing Google Play and its vast library isn't straightforward. But let's explore what options you have. First things first, confirm your LG TV model. Navigate to your TV's settings, usually found by pressing the Settings button on your remote. Look for About This TV or a similar option under Support or General. Make note of the model number and operating system version. LG TVs come with the LG Content Store pre-installed, and this is your primary source for app. Search for the app you need within the LG Content Store. You might be surprised what you find. Since direct Google Play installation isn't typically possible, consider screen mirroring from your Android phone or tablet. Both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Then, activate screen mirroring on your LG TV and select your device. Alternatively, devices like Chromecast with Google TV, Roku, or Amazon Fire Stick are inexpensive ways to instantly get Google Play apps on your LG TV. Simply plug it into an HDMI port. With these streaming devices, you get the full Android TV experience, including access to the Google Play Store and all your favorite apps. So while you can't directly install Google Play, you'll have great alternatives to expand your entertainment options.